If you've ever struggled with body confidence, you are not alone. Many of us have been there, including me. After years of lacking self-confidence and really not loving how my body looked, I finally figured out how to build a body that I'm proud of, and I want to help you do the same. In this video, I share with you 6 things that I wish I had known at the beginning of my journey in the hopes that it helps you on yours. Let's get into it. Number 1, let's forget about the all or nothing diet. Have you ever tried heavily restricting your calories or cutting out entire food groups, only to end up binge eating? It's a vicious cycle many of us know too well. Trust me, I've been there too. The all or nothing approach promises a quick fix, but it isn't sustainable. Instead, let's focus on building long-lasting habits. For example, start with habits like aiming to eat 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, increasing your meal frequency, so having 3 to 5 meals per day, and spend less time eating too little or in a calorie deficit. Number 2, let's talk about cardio. Have you ever felt like you've had to earn your calories or do hours of cardio in order to get the body that you want? Personally, I feel like this approach makes exercise feel like punishment. While cardio like running and HIIT workouts definitely have their benefits, it's not compulsory to get the aesthetic look that you want. Don't get me wrong, if you enjoy doing cardio, please continue doing it. But if you don't, you can get the same results for your aesthetics by simply walking 8 to 10k steps a day. Number 3, quality over quantity. Have you ever thought that more training equals more results? I used to think that if I trained every day, I would make more gains. However, it's quite the opposite. You don't need to spend hours or every day at the gym. Instead, aim to train 3 to 6 days per week with adequate rest between sessions. Spread your training volume across the days that you can commit to and focus on training with intentionality and intensity. Number 4, let's address the comparison trap. It is so easy to compare yourself with your friends, athletes, and influencers on social media. Trust me, this is something I have experienced a lot and something I still have to be mindful of. Instead of trying to get your body to look like others, focus on what you want your body to look and feel like. Comparison is the thief of joy, so focus on building a body that you feel proud of. Be your own goals. Number 5, shift your focus. If you continue focusing and obsessing about all the things that you don't like about your body, that's all that you're gonna see. Instead, focus on the things that you like about your body and all the things that it can do. By making this shift, you'll stop fixating on your physique and what it's not, and instead become obsessed with redefining what you're capable of achieving. This is what will have you showing up long enough to get the body that you've always wanted. Number 6, there's no such thing as perfect. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by trying to find the best exercises or the best program? I've been lost deep down in that rabbit hole many times. The best exercises and programs are the ones that you enjoy and stick with. When you do this, you're more likely to push harder, keep showing up, and enjoying the process, all while building a body you're proud of. Don't wait until your body looks a certain way to feel proud. Instead, use these tips to feel proud now while working towards your goals. I'd love to know what resonated with you the most. Drop me a comment below. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!